Hadin kejeng ujor jeng kiki kipa kipat ba bat kisam lapule barem halor kejeng bambiang gerukam peniat ke Skul Pine Mount. Hakala asni ublai jeng katayo Myntri Rangbah ke jelau Konrad kongkal sangma ulalit ban Jurip ya ke jenglong jengman jong ke Skul ke bapau ha ke jela. Hagini kejeng Jurip ledan lang Myntri ke tenat pulih putih ubala kemen rumboi u Chief Secretary ke jelau uba DP walang ki he officer sarkar ni tenat beper. Kani kejing let Jurip kelajar uha kapor bagani ke Skul kelapau kilat pathai kubor halor kejing mambiang ke rukom peniat bat kejing bamdan yagi pankhana ki babiang. Kani kekenhuan kalalit Jurip ki jakasa ki khana ki kamra kelas kamadan nilai akai ke auditorium bat ki kibai. Konrad kongkal sangma habai kiran bikinong pathai kubor hadin kani kejingwan Jurip ulong bakadau bala penlong yu bandet Jurip kadai hadin bagi kimiki kepa jugi kena Skul kilapen pau kejing sokya halor kimat baper hagani ke Skul. Ulong bada kejingwan pet hi dalade onla ban sngutho khamba khamtam haba kaladan kejing penpaw kejing sokya kejing dan kam jong ke Skul khamtam mi kejakalet bar. Ulong chocho bakila sheme karai badai ban maramot ne ban snapan bahai kejakalet bar bat kiwe la dan kam ban maramot. Myntri Rangbah ulong bagi jinglong jengman juga hostel kamlong ke babiang. Kumta de ban snat maino ekene ke jakasa bade ban pendep haswa ban long Skul ha kesnem banwan. Bat menta kidang wat kilat klenti ban pet na kebenta ban penbiang ya ke jakasa na kebenta ki kena apule.
In terms of other infrastructures which require repairs will be done. At the same time, we've also seen that the hostel facility is not at all up to the mark. And a lot of things are required to be done, and so we have also decided that in fact there is a proposal already, and the sanction has already been done. The tender processing was taking a bit of time, so I have spoken to the PWD minister in charge building, PWD building, that the tendering process should be completed at the earliest, and within this academic year, within the next academic year, before the next academic year starts, that we would want the construction work of the new hostel building to start, and in the meantime we'll make temporary arrangements for the students who are in the hostel, and we are looking at multiple options. We'll take a call on that in the next few days time on how we can temporarily accommodate the children who are in the hostels in temporary facilities around the campus only. So we're examining that too. We have also come and seen this auditorium which has been lying unused. We feel it can be put to better use, so we will be repairing this also and deciding on how we will use it in the future. So this was basically an idea was to, as I said, have a hands-on view of the entire situation out here. We are so also seeing the field out here. This also is in a bad condition.
Which is 30th of November. By the first week of December, sir, this is free.
So that means that repairing this is not making sense. So this should go straight away into the construction of the new building. No? Yes.
Hakabede bagi jing mamyo penan kam ki kena Skul ki jakalet bar. Konrad kongkal sang mau loong bagi jing uat jogi kena kalong ke bakongsan. Bat kin sashim ki senjam ban penbet yakani bat dei ban maramot no. Hakabede bagi jing keno bagladan ke jing penan kam baklai ke pisah. Myntri Rangbah ulong bagat tenat kebadai kami kan sa kami halor kani bat kan sa ai ka kaipot bat ka jingwan joki kamdai halor kani ke benta hendrai kadai ban pet komno ban ya chakmat ban pen bhai ki ke baro ulong ru bag jing toket halor ka kenrum dan ram kani ke Skul kadang ya chakmat bat halor ka jing dawa badai ban wengno ai principal ikong ayom kser dingdo ka sarkar kan sa shime kesenjam hadien balayo priang ya ka kaipot.
Pandri, please go and check if the auditorium is open or not.
Go on, take the key, bring the key.
Bring the key.
Bring the key of auditorium.
There were some concerns that have been raised by parents and the past pupils regarding some issues that were there in Pine Mount School, and this being one of the premier institutes of our state, and in the recent past there have been a lot of issues that have come up out here. So therefore we felt that a site visit and coming and seeing things for yourself would give us a better perspective on the current situation out here. So based on that, we had decided to come here and visit Pine Mount School along with the Honorable Education Minister and other officials, including our Chief Secretary. And we have seen that there are concerns regarding amenities like toilets. So we have taken a decision on the spot that whatever repair has to be done to improve the infrastructure in terms of toilets, in terms of other infrastructures which require repairs will be done. At the same time, we have also seen that the hostel facility is not at all, up to the mark, and a lot of things are required to be done. And so we have also decided that in fact there is a proposal already, and the sanction has already been done, and other administrative requirements also are there. For example, the offices required for different staff and principal. We will examine all those aspects also. So the idea was basically to come and see the overall situation out here, based on the different concerns that have been raised by the public and the past pupils, the teachers, and other managing committee members. So based on all those concerns, we thought that we should make a visit and see things with our own eyes. And based on that, as I said, we're going to take certain steps to improve things.
And there's also an allegation that there's a mismanagement of fund in the school.
No, those things are allegations could be there. That is something that the department will look into and will give a report accordingly. But as I said, we are not here to look into that side. We are here really to see the way forward. We are here to ensure that we can take steps to improve things, and at the minister's level, chief secretary, and my level, once we come here and visit and take decisions, then things will be done at a much faster pace. So that's really what our objective is to. Yeah, I mean, any step that has to be taken will be based only on proper investigation or whatever reports that we get. So based on the reports, we will see and we'll accordingly decide how to move forward.